Man, what an honor to be able to ride something like this, you know? Such a blessing. Very beautiful bike. I love this area. This area is beautiful. Really nice houses. That's that abandoned mansion. This was built to represent and like mimic a castle in London. It's one of the most genuine castle-like buildings in Malaysia. Supposedly it's huge. There's like 15 bedrooms or something. How hectic does it look, huh? Beautiful building, man. It looks exactly like a castle, doesn't it? How nice is this bike? Let me tell you, it is hot. I forgot how humid and hot Malaysia is. Especially in all this gear, I'm dripping. There's videos online of guys just riding straight through this gate because the gate's like actually open. This gate was open and they just ride straight in and then they go and look inside. Massive place. What a view. Woo. This is my favorite road, favorite area in Kuala Lumpur. This bit is awesome. I love this bit. My favorite area. How beautiful is this bit? This is quite a wealthy area. I think the wealthiest area in Kuala Lumpur. Yeah, Bukit Tangu, which is the wealthiest area in Kuala Lumpur, that's just behind us. So this way, facing this way, isn't actually that wealthy area, but it's you know, it's still part of it. It's still basically the neighboring neighborhood. Bukit Tangu is just behind us. Independence Square. I haven't actually been here myself, so I wanted to come and check it out. I'm not sure if we can just park over there. Maybe we can. I hope so. Should be able to. So it's called Independence Square because in 1957, hopefully I get the year right, this is where the first Malaysian flag was put up in the air after Malaysia finally declared independence. I'd imagine it would have been from this huge flagpole. That would make sense. There's an old cricket ground as well. There's a little cricket patch in the middle. A nice 1800s style clock tower building here with the Merdeka in the background, the tallest building in Malaysia. Beautiful, huh? Underrated city for sure. Now during Ramadan, if I had to come here in like 3 days, in the afternoon when everyone breaks their fast, this would most likely be very busy. All the Malaysians would come here and sit with picnic blankets and stuff, and they would all enjoy breaking their fast together, which is really beautiful. I like it a lot. We got a tunnel. Oh baby, this is the street where all the crazy stuff is, all the big shopping malls and very beautiful at night. Hopefully the rain holds off. I can take you guys out for a night cruise. That's tight, alright. Nice. Nice streets, man. The roads are beautiful. Great quality. How nice is this? Where else do you find this in like cities, you know, main cities? So good. Looks like a nice spot to eat. How cool is this, huh?